Specktron is the ideal solution for your collaboration and presentation needs. The versatility and supreme quality of Specktron makes it a superior choice. The large multi-touch display of Specktron provides a rich and vibrant experience, with resolutions ranging from HD to Ultra HD 4K. In addition, the Specktron interactive displays offer fast response times, giving you the flexibility to rotate, drag, draw, and type with amazing accuracy. Specktron's interactive LED display comes with a built-in computer and a choice of dual operating systems, allowing you to work on your preferred platform. Specktron also allows you to connect and interact wirelessly with multiple devices simultaneously. Specktron's interactive LED display has been designed with ease of use in mind. Our display can be installed anywhere, on the wall or mounted on a stand. You don't have to worry about the durability of the screen either, as the displays are enforced with stress-tested toughened glass. On the education front, our touchscreen, which supports finger gestures, is brilliantly beneficial for interacting with storytelling, live diagrams, maps, news, and graphs. It engages the students and in turn draws more attention, thus leading to an enriched learning experience. Classroom collaboration is possible through customized solutions where wireless and internet connectivity enables information exchange between devices. Corporate meetings can be made more interesting and enhanced with Specktron interactive displays. Our displays provide the presenter with a fully interactive display to showcase their information in group discussions, training sessions, conferences, or meetings. The software provided with Specktron can be used to annotate on presentations and charts, thanks to its rich multi-touch feature. People can also multitask and participate in video conferencing. Specktron is determined to leave its touch globally, empowering you with endless possibilities for an incredible experience. Come along and experience the future with Specktron.